Hey, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Loki, and today we're going to be checking out another iPhone 11 Pro case. This is one from Adidas. This is the snapback with the free stripe in a leather finish. This will reach us for $40. I'll leave it in the description if you want to check it out. But yeah, let's begin with the video. Thank you for watching Let's Tech. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, enable notifications with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. So this is the iconic free stripe snap case in black leather, so it's going to be really amazing. You can get different options, different colors, so of course do check out the links for all of the cases. But this is the box itself, so we've got the logo there, Adidas. We've got drop tested, so it's actually drop protection with 5 feet or 1.5 meters. We do have a front pocket, so if you want to put a card in there or some notes, you can do that really well. And it will work with wireless charging, so you don't have to take off the case when you want to charge it at night or during the daytime, which is really amazing. On the back, nothing much. On the inside, we've got the case itself. You can see for this plastic bit, and here we've got the same details here. So we've got drop protection, wireless charging, and front pocket. So this is a TPU case with a leather backing. So let's just pull this in here and get the case out. So this is the case itself here. As you can see, it looks really nice with this black finish, and we've got the gold logo, so it's going to go really well with my iPhone gold. Inside, nothing much here, some plastic, TPU all the way around. This leather feels really nice, and the pocket should be here, as you can see there. So you want to put some notes or a card in there, it will do that. But yeah, let's try on the case. So let's get rid of this case here, which is like my go-to case. Take it off. Ooh, I do miss the gold color of this phone, that frosty look. Let's just put the case in there. Let's try with the front button. Works fine. Let's try volume rockers. No issue there, works fine. Turn it off again. That works fine. Mute switch. No problem there, works fine. And got the pocket here, so you can fit stuff in there. Let me try and get something. So I have an A4 piece of paper which is folded 6 times. So you can see it's kind of thick, maybe like 2 cards. So you can see that fits there perfectly, and it just slides in. So of course this is paper, it's not going to slide in smoothly, but you can see you can easily fit 2 cards in here, or a card or a note or 2 notes. You can see this is thick, it's folded a few times, as you can see, and it works fine. So if you want to put card in there, you can do that. And it just goes back there, so that is really nice. And of course the cutout at the bottoms are fine for your lightning port as well as your speaker, your camera cutout, no issues there. The case is really nice, like we've got the gold logo which works really well with my phone. Of course it's not the same gold color, this is more like a brushed gold, more copper gold, where this is more like a nice rose gold. But overall, it's really nice. We do have front lid protection, so if you do drop it, you are gonna be fine there with the screen. Of course, use a screen protector, but you know, I don't like those things, so I've got mine just pure naked. But the case feels really nice. Of course, you have this little leather feel. You got the free stripes, iconic Adidas stripes with the new logo as well, so that is really great. And for the price, I am not gonna complain. Yes, you can get more expensive cases, and I've tried a lot of different cases at different price point, but this case, it does the job. I have to say, I'm really happy with it. If you do want to check it out, of course I'm going to leave a link in the description, and for any other cases, any reviews, do check out my channel, because I've done so many case reviews for the iPhone 11 Pro and just so many other phones, so do check those out. But as always, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.